Hello, my name is Chase Guttman. I'm an award-winning travel photographer and journalist and drone videographer, and I've traveled all 50 states and over 80 countries around the world. I'm on my 4,000th mile right now of a road trip going to LA from New York City, and we are here at White Sands National Park in New Mexico. When I was a sophomore in college, I authored one of the first ever books on drone photography. It's called The Handbook of Drone Photography, and I'm pretty thankful I got some critical acclaim from publications like Travel and Leisure and The Telegraph, and pretty much since then that jump-started my career of lecturing about drones and teaching about it around the world. I think drones are awesome because I think they are the democratization of perspective. They pretty much allow you to go where no other technology go. They kind of own the airspace just out of reach of the selfie stick and below where you might see a helicopter. So they really own that airspace and allow you to get perspectives you could never get otherwise. The time is now. Seize your moment. If you're really into photography or videography, it is really amazing to get different perspectives and see the world from a totally different point of view.